1. 1972 Chevy K10 4x4, 11,000, Mitchell, South Dakota. This 1972 Chevrolet K10 4x4 is a rare find, especially given its rust-free body, a true standout for this model year. Equipped with a 350 V8 engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, and a 205 transfer case, this truck embodies the rugged reliability Chevy was known for during the 1970s. Originally sold in South Dakota, it has remained a ranch truck, maintaining its classic workhorse charm. The truck's original blue paint remains intact, albeit with plenty of dents that add character to its unrefined aesthetic. However, it is worth appreciating the absence of rust, a common issue in this body style. Many new parts have been installed, and the Goodyear tires mounted on rally wheels ensure it's ready for the road. The truck starts, runs, and drives well, making it a solid option for someone seeking an honest classic pickup that retains its original integrity. Nashville 2, 1971 Chevy Ken 4x4, $11,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1971 Chevrolet K10 4x4 is an impressive example of a lifted classic truck that blends vintage styling with modern updates. Powered by a small block V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it has been outfitted with brand new Mickey Thompson wheels and tires, complete with stickers still on them. The exterior is finished in a bold red color, with minor rust spots noted on the cab corners. However, the floorboards and rockers are reported to be solid. Updates include a new battery, fuel pump, and a freshly rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor, ensuring reliable performance. While some cosmetic imperfections exist, the truck's overall condition and performance make it a desirable option for enthusiasts looking for a capable off-road ready classic. And 3. 1979 Ford F-250, $10,000, Washington. This 1979 Ford F-250 4x4 stands out as a heavy-duty pickup designed for performance and versatility. Powered by a built 460 V8 engine, paired with a Holley Delta cam and Dove heads, this truck is built for power. Additional upgrades include a correct YN intake manifold, new headers, a modern ignition system, and dual gas tanks for extended range. A 4-inch lift kit and 37-inch Humvee tires mounted on aluminum slot mags enhance its rugged off-road capabilities. The truck exhibits only surface rust and no significant cancer, a testament to its solid construction. While it requires some cosmetic attention, including a new paint job, its mechanical upgrades and additional parts, such as a rebuilt Dana 60 rear axle, add significant value. 4. 1966 Chevrolet El Camino, $11,500, Tacoma, Washington. This 1966 Chevrolet El Camino presents a solid driver quality vehicle with an excellent blend of utility and performance. Equipped with a 350 V8 engine and a turbo 350 automatic transmission, this car-truck hybrid offers reliability and ease of use. The California origins are evident in its solid underbody and excellent floors. While the lumen's blue paint is aging, it still shines well from a distance. Minor rust spots and bubbling in specific areas reflect the vehicle's age, but do not compromise its overall structural integrity. Inside, the dashboard and cowl area remain in excellent condition. This El Camino offers a solid foundation for someone seeking a classic that turns heads while maintaining practicality. 5. 1957 Chevy truck, $11,000, Port Townsend, Washington. This 1957 Chevrolet pickup is a project in progress with significant potential. Originally an Arizona truck, it features a blueprint-balanced 350 V8 engine and numerous new parts, including an Edelbrock carburetor, electronic ignition, a new wiring harness, and upgraded brakes. The body, free from dents, retains its classic styling with a wood bed in good condition. Though minor rust spots and a dent in the grille are present, the truck offers a solid foundation for restoration. Whether you plan to finish this project or enjoy it as is, this pickup stands as a great piece of American automotive history. Six, 1953 Chevy truck, 12500 Birch Bay, Washington. This mostly original 1953 Chevrolet 3100 pickup exudes vintage charm. Its blue exterior retains a patina that tells the story of its decades of use. Powered by an inline-six engine paired with a manual transmission, the truck starts, runs, and drives well, although it requires some TLC to reach its full potential. The vehicle's classic design, coupled with its solid frame, makes it an excellent candidate for restoration or preservation. For enthusiasts seeking an authentic mid-century pickup, this 3100 offers an unfiltered glimpse into Chevrolet's storied history. 7. 1970 Ford F-250 Sport Custom Camper Edition, $19,500, Boise, Idaho. This 1970 Ford F-250 Sport Custom Camper Edition combines classic style with practical functionality. With a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it has been well maintained, featuring a 27-year-old patina that adds character to its original configuration. The truck offers a unique blend of luxury and capability, making it ideal for long road trips or as a collector's piece. Its rarity and excellent mechanical condition make it a valuable addition to any classic truck collection. Eight, 1972 Chevrolet C1500 pickup truck, $22,000, Lombard, Illinois. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 1500 pickup truck is a meticulously maintained example, featuring a small block V8 with a B&M blower for enhanced performance. The blue exterior, combined with brand new rally wheels and BF Goodrich tires, creates a striking visual appeal. The rust-free body and outstanding driving performance make this truck a standout choice for anyone seeking a classic with modern upgrades. It's a turnkey option, ready for shows or weekend cruises. Nav 9, 1970 Chevy C10 short bed, 24,000, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 is an original, one-owner Arizona truck with no rust, featuring a straight-six engine, a 3-speed manual transmission, and power steering. It is a well-preserved example of simplicity and reliability. With just 98,400 miles on the odometer, this truck drives like a dream and showcases the practicality and durability Chevy pickups were known for. Nasher 10, 1966 Chevrolet El Camino, $23,500, Farmington, New Mexico. This 1966 Chevrolet El Camino combines vintage aesthetics with modern performance enhancements. Powered by a 350 TPI engine from a 1989 Corvette, and paired with a 700R4 overdrive transmission, this car offers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Garage stored for the past 4 years, it's a well-maintained example with a rich history. The 12-bolt Posey rear axle enhances its driving dynamics, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts. 1969 Chevrolet CKC-10 step-side pickup, 20,925, Manahawkin, New Jersey. This 1969 Chevrolet C10 step-side pickup is a beautifully restored example powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Finished in sleek black with gray cloth upholstery, it exudes classic sophistication. Equipped with power steering, front disc brakes, a tonneau cover, and an aftermarket stereo, it combines modern conveniences with timeless design. This truck is an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a classic that is both functional and stylish.